how to download Dropbox. So first, go to their website, the Dropbox website. Next is, what you need to do is just look for the Get App here. So the Get App option is right on the top right corner. Next is just hover your mouse over it, and then you can see you can select to download the Dropbox for desktop or mobile app. So if you want to download the Dropbox for your desktop, what you need to do is just click on the desktop app, then just click on install. As you can see, now you've just downloaded Dropbox here for your desktop. So what you need to do is next is just install it, click on it, and then just install it and follow the prompts to install the Dropbox on your desktop. So to install it on your for your mobile, just go back and then hover your mouse over Get App again, and then just click on mobile app. Next is what you need to do is just get your phone and then scan the QR code here, and it'll take you to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. And then once you're there, you just need to download the app from the store. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.